Like I mentioned at the end of the last lecture, we need to update the navigation service in order to switch between our two flows, between login flow and the main flow. So what we need is two new methods. The one method is to go to main flow. Second one is similar, go to login flow. Let's implement these two methods. The easiest way to go from one flow to another is to set the application current.main page to be, in this case, new app shell. Similar logic is for going to the login flow. So instead of going to the app shell, we will go to the login shell. And now the compiler is complaining because we are using application as the namespace name. We need to quickly remove application from the namespace, and now this should be fine. So let's just resolve login shell. Finally, we can go back to the loading view and add the missing logic. So if we haven't shown the onboarding screen to the user, we will set the flag shown onboarding to true. And what we are going to do is to use the navigation service to go to the login flow. This will show the first view in the login shell, and that's the onboarding view model. The next thing we need to do is if the user has been logged in, then we need to go to the wallet view. That is, we will use the navigation service to go to the main flow. This will again show the first view in the main flow in the app shell, and that's the wallet view. And finally, if the user is not logged in, then what we need to do is to go to the login flow, but also make sure that we navigate to the login view model, and we will set that as root view, so our login view model. Okay, compiler is complaining again, meaning that I have forgot to set this to base view model, which I also probably need to do for the register view model. And let me just check the onboarding view model. Yep, that's right. I need to set base view model here as well. In order to see the changes, we don't have any content here. So let's say text is login. And also we can go to the onboarding view and set some text so you can see the changes. So let's set the text to the onboarding. Okay, at the first start of the app, we show the onboarding view. If we try to run the app the second time, now we see the login view. So the next step, what we need to do is to actually implement the onboarding, register, and login views.